Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can use the Winget command to update any and all applications that are installed on either our Windows 10 or our Windows 11 machine. And so for this demonstration, I'm going to use the Winget command to upgrade any and all applications that are installed on my Windows 10 machine. So at the prompt, I've typed in a Winget space upgrade space dash dash all space dash dash include dash unknown. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Winget is scanning my machine, and it comes back and gives me a list of everything that it found that can be upgraded. According to Winget, I have 6 upgrades that are available to me, and I'm going to allow Winget to continue and pull down those updates from the internet and update those applications for me automatically. And so the Winget command is a command line tool used in Windows to discover, install, upgrade, remove, and configure applications. It allows users to manage software packages efficiently on Windows 10 and Windows 11 systems. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching.